Okay, friends. So next 2 to 3 months, you are going to have 3 group tasks, GD, etc. of public sector companies. So Steel Authority of India Limited exam is over. Any day result can come. CSL Coaching Shipyard 27th April exam is there, and then followed by GT an interview. HPCL 3rd May is the exam, and in the June you are going to get GT and interview. So mentors are going to tell you about the format. HPCL, as you know, there's a group task, there's interview, and both are eliminating. So typically group task 15 to minutes to half an hour, it is eliminating, and the tasks which are given to you as per whether you are going for officer or you are going for junior executive officer post. So group tasks are related to real world situation in the industries, like valve malfunctioning or these kind of issues are given, and you have to pass it because it is eliminating.
Okay, if I'll talk about CSL GTs, friends, this is like first of all, CBT will going to held on 27th of April. Then it would be GD, writing skills and personal interview. Now it is mentioned that there will be a GD, but that is not actual GD. They can conduct GT, right? And it is a mixture of GD and GT both. What happen is basically like they will jumbled up you can say task or a problem. They will distribute in the 10 pointers. You need to rearrange those pointers as per priority, right? So it is very simple as compared to other PSUs, as this is Cochin Shipyard Limited. So the task related to management, or you can say shipyard limited, you can say, typically the technical part would be also there, but management part would be also there. So make sure ki you are preparing for both GD and GT, and of course you should be keep in mind that you need to rearrange the pointers, so keep practicing for that. Writing skills also, and for personal interview also, we have already provided documentation. You can just check on the Yourpedia panel that there are already recorded sessions are there. Just do check it out, and rest you can practice in the live sessions for CSL GTs.
ओके फ्रेंड्स, सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू सेल, सेल में सबसे एक्सटेंसिव वर्जन होता है. उसमें 3 मेजर एरियाज कवर होते हैं: जीडी, जीटी एंड केस स्टडीज. जीडी का हमने लास्ट सेशन में डिस्कस किया था. जीटी के बारे में अगर हम बताएं तो इट इज मोर अबाउट प्रायोरिटाइजेशन. आपको टास्क गिवन दिए जाएंगे ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ प्रायोरिटाइजेशन. सपोजिबली अगर मैं एग्जांपल दूं, रोल ऑफ अ मैनेजर, उसको क्या क्या रोल सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है प्रायोरिटी बेसिस पे सेट होने चाहिए. इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर कैंपिंग, व्हाट आर द 10 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स व्हिच यू विल कैरी. सो आपको प्रायोरिटाइजेशन के बेसिस पे जीटी में टास्क मिलते हैं. एंड देन इट कम्स टू केस स्टडीज. सब हाफ एन आवर के होते हैं, एंड आपको अराउंड हिंदी और इंग्लिश में आप बोल सकते हैं, एंड ये नॉन एलिमिनेटिंग होते हैं. सो फ्रेंड्स, वी शुड स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर ऑल ऑफ दीज एंड सी यू एट योरपीडिया. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.